far as them having peace, if they don't have it, it's not going to be. It's going to be tragedy. It's going to be tore up. It's going to be tore up.
Don't listen to them. If that's what you want to be, you go for it. Lord Jesus,
Take your time.
forgive me. Reason I'm going back to forgiveness.
Sure.
Questions you ask.
I had the curiosity already.
Curiosity.
If I didn't have it, you think like my sister, brothers, I got
If you're receiving this invitation, then that means you may have also received an invitation to Alethea and I's wedding last year. If you can recall, that wedding took place on December 12th at 12 p.m. Pacific. And so we would love to invite you all to celebrate our 1-year wedding anniversary, 2021. Let's go. And that celebration will take place on December 12th at 12 p.m. Pacific. So again, you guys, it's 12/12 at 12 p.m. Pacific. And so for our wedding anniversary, akin to our wedding, which was very creative and relatively non-traditional, yet still traditional, we thought to celebrate our 1-year wedding anniversary by sharing with not just our family, but our friends as well. That means you. And a lot of our friends have become family, right? But we wanted to share our parents' legacy. And so Alethea and I are calling this our Family Legacy Series. We want to start with our parents. And so earlier this year, we were having a conversation with our parents, and one of my favorite questions was, what do you want your family to inherit from you? And the emphasis was not just on the children, but what do they want their family to inherit from them? And we were, just overwhelmed with the blessings of the wisdom and the insight of some of the things that they shared with us. And we just was like, we have to share this with our friends. We have to share it with our families, our nieces and cousins and uncles. And so we thought to record it and package it up and release it on our wedding anniversary. And so what you're about to witness is our family's treasure. We have a family archive, and the hope is that the youngest among us, the unborn among us, will be able to share this content with their children's children's children and allow that individual to be the beneficiary of ancestral wisdom and allow it to just touch, move, and inspire them. And that's the hope. And so, yeah. Baby?
Yeah, so ever since Walter and I were just talking about or questioning whether or not we were going to get married, the big thing was that behind the why was we just wanted to share it. We just wanted to share our marriage with like our family and our friends.
Yeah.
And heavy on our minds was like our nieces and nephews, right?
Yes.
And also people who we knew had maybe not seen different versions of what a marriage could be. So
Right.
we just wanted to just offer a different version, right? Something that we know we never seen, right? We ain't never seen nothing like this before. So we just wanted to share that with you all. And yeah, that's my little spiel.
And so without further ado, please join us in celebrating our 1-year anniversary by just experiencing our Family Legacy Series. Thank you guys so much. You're such an angel.